Have you ever found yourself in a life-threatening situation with no one around to help? The terrifying reality is that emergencies can strike at any moment, and sometimes, you might be completely alone when they do. But what if I told you that there are little-known first aid hacks that could literally save your life in these crucial moments? In this video, I'm going to reveal potentially life-saving techniques that most people have never heard of. These aren't your typical first aid tips. These are unconventional, ingenious methods that could mean the difference between life and death when you're on your own. From improvising medical tools with everyday objects to performing self-rescue maneuvers you won't find in standard first aid courses, this information could be the key to your survival. But here's the catch. Some of these techniques might seem counterintuitive or even dangerous at first glance. That's why it's crucial you watch until the end to fully understand how and when to use them safely. One wrong move could make things worse, but armed with the right knowledge, you'll be prepared to face almost any emergency situation alone. Are you ready to learn the first aid hacks that could save your life when no one else is around? Hey there, safety-conscious viewers. Have you ever found yourself in a sticky situation when you're all alone? Maybe you've cut yourself badly or started choking on something. These moments can be scary, but knowing what to do can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into some crucial first aid hacks that could save your life when you're by yourself. So, let's get started and learn how to be your own hero in an emergency. Let's begin with a common scenario. You've cut yourself while cooking. Blood is flowing, and you're home alone. What do you do? First, stay calm. Panicking will only make things worse. Rinse the cut under cool running water to clean it. If it's a small cut, apply direct pressure with a clean cloth or paper towel. For deeper cuts, elevate the injured area above your heart if possible. If bleeding doesn't stop after 15 minutes, it's time to call for help. Now, let's talk about choking when you're alone. It's a frightening thought, isn't it? The good news is, you can perform the Heimlich maneuver on yourself. Find a sturdy chair or counter edge. Position yourself so the edge is just below your rib cage. Lean forward, pressing your upper belly against the edge. Use your arms and body weight to push inward and upward. This can help dislodge whatever is stuck in your throat. If this doesn't work, call emergency services immediately. Burns are another common household injury. If you burn yourself, run cool, not cold, water over the burn for at least 10 minutes. Don't use ice, as it can damage your skin further. For minor burns, apply aloe vera gel or an antibiotic ointment. Cover the burn with a clean, dry bandage. If it's a severe burn, seek medical help right away. Let's move on to something a bit more intense: heart attack symptoms. If you're alone and suspect you're having a heart attack, call emergency services immediately. Chew and swallow an aspirin if you have one available. Sit down and try to remain calm, taking slow, deep breaths. If you become unconscious, the emergency dispatcher may guide a nearby person to help you. Now, what if you're having an allergic reaction and you're by yourself? If you have a known allergy, always carry your prescribed epinephrine auto-injector. In case of a severe reaction, use the auto-injector as directed. Even after using it, call for emergency help as symptoms may return. Let's talk about something that can happen unexpectedly: fainting. If you feel like you're about to faint, don't try to fight it. Slowly lie down on the floor to avoid injury from falling. Once you're down, elevate your legs above heart level if possible. This helps blood flow back to your brain. After you've recovered, get up slowly to avoid fainting again. Nosebleeds can be alarming, but they're usually not serious. Sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Pinch the soft part of your nose just below the bony ridge. Hold for at least 10 minutes without checking if it's stopped. Avoid lying down or tilting your head back. If bleeding doesn't stop after 30 minutes, seek medical help. What about sprains or strains when you're alone? Remember the RICE method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Rest the injured area and avoid putting weight on it. Apply ice wrapped in a towel for 20 minutes at a time. Use an elastic bandage for compression, but not too tight. Elevate the injured limb above your heart level when possible. Dealing with a high fever alone can be tricky. Take your temperature and record it. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Take over-the-counter fever reducers if available. Use a cool, damp cloth on your forehead and wrists. If your fever is very high or lasts more than 3 days, call a doctor. Lastly, let's address panic attacks. Recognize that it's a panic attack and it will pass. Focus on your breathing. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Ground yourself by naming 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. Repeat a calming phrase to yourself, like "this will pass" or "I am safe." Remember, these first aid hacks can be lifesavers, but they're not substitutes for professional medical care. Always seek help if you're in doubt about your condition. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel more prepared to handle emergencies when alone. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more potentially life-saving tips. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.